how does CBD help with addiction? If you walk into any random store these days, you will probably find a few products with CBD oil in them. The market for CBD has certainly taken off in the last few years. If you're starting to see CBD everywhere but have no idea why so many companies are using it in their products now, you may not be aware of all of the benefits CBD can have. CBD is a cannabinoid that comes from marijuana, but it's very different from THC. THC is what gives the infamous high when people use marijuana. CBD does not have any psychoactive elements. It's normally used to help with relaxing, sleep, or pain management. It's still a new product in the science world, and there's much research to be done on the extensiveness of CBD oil when it comes to helping with chronic pain and illnesses. The initial research in the 1990s found that there is an endocannabinoid system in the human body. This system produces endocannabinoids in response to the use of cannabis, but also to manage different organ systems in the body. How CBD works? CBD has been found to interact with natural endocannabinoids in the body that then attach to the cannabinoid receptors. CBD also interacts with pain receptors and serotonin receptors, which contributes to how it helps people with pain and relaxation. These discoveries have led to many developments when it comes to using CBD as treatment. Right now, CBD is mostly used to treat pediatric epilepsy, anxiety and depressive disorders, chronic pain and inflammation, and some skin conditions. Many people swear by CBD as being the only thing that has worked to treat any of these issues after trying every other treatment on the market. Many Americans use CBD just to get to bed. There are gummies, oils, and drinks infused with CBD that put you in a state of relaxation and can help your body fall asleep quicker. While it's being offered as life-changing medication for many sick people, it's also a product used in day-to-day life due to all of the benefits CBD oil can produce. CBD and addiction. In a time where America is facing the epidemic of addiction, any option to try and treat it should be explored. There are millions of people all over the country battling the terrible disease with a range of different substances, but are curious to know the answer to the question: how does CBD help with addiction? The use of CBD oil to treat addiction is something many doctors and health professionals are looking towards as this epidemic continues to grow. There are a number of clinical studies that have preliminary results showing that CBD may have therapeutic properties on opioid, cocaine, and psychostimulant addiction. Since CBD acts on several neurotransmission systems that are involved in addiction, there is hope that someday it can be a widely viable option to treat addiction. Right now, it's more helpful to treat the symptoms of withdrawal such as pain, anxiety, and depression. Since it is currently being used to treat those issues now, it could be an option for people trying to get clean and stay clean. If the CBD oil can limit the pain they feel and help with the mental side effects as well, it may be able to help with preventing them from craving the drug again. Many people cannot quit the drug they use because withdrawals can be so painful and difficult, both mentally and physically. The fact that CBD can combat both of those fronts shows a promising future where that it can help treat addiction. Where the CBD research is at now. The science needs to be developed more before it can be prescribed as actual treatment, but the future of CBD helping with an addiction looks hopeful. Right now, it's certainly an option to be discussed with a doctor to make sure it is right for you. Using it to improve your mental and physical condition could be the treatment you need to finally kick the addiction you are fighting. Since CBD has blown up on the market, there have been large amounts of scientific findings in such a short amount of time. The world of CBD could be largely untapped, and treating addiction could be the next big thing in the CBD industry. It could be the game changer America needs in the fight against the epidemic that is addiction.